Well, pardon the noise between the furnace and the kids, but today I'm going to replace this dryer vent because when I bought this house, the dryer vent was just chock full of lint. Now, I don't have a huge run. It goes from there over to there and right out my front porch, which is not optimal, but that's the way it was. But it was chock full of lint, so I did that when I was relatively inexperienced. Wow. But yeah, we're gonna change that out. Try to get that to be a smoother run. I got another 90 and some better flex duct because I don't like this one, and I think that's what's causing all of this lint to be deposited all over. We just had the water heater replaced, and the plumber explained that that can clog up the intake, which is on the bottom of the water heater. So I want to try to eliminate that as much as possible. All right, now I've got the dryer ducts all cleaned out and set out on the floor and everything. So I think I'm going to put this long hard piped one up there where it makes the run from the exterior over to here. Problem I'm running into is this shelf, and it really highlights how in the 2018 IRC and IMC, I do believe, that you cannot put a 4-inch dryer duct into a 2x4 wall, because that is not going to fit in between that shelf there and the drywall of my wife's office behind it. So I don't really want to deform the flex duct all that much to go through there, but I don't know if I necessarily have a choice, because it's either that or run everything along here and above the plumbing for the washer. But obviously the washer has to go here. So that's where the water lines and then the drain is back there behind it. So I'll make an update once I get this done. Alright, so it's not the prettiest of runs, but hopefully it works. I went ahead and used the big long piece on that run up above that doorway. And the only piece of flex that I used was this little run, just because I didn't have any straight wall pipe, and I don't feel like going out anymore and risking anything in these dire times. But I used straight pipe all the way down to the dryer. And I went ahead and put duct tape on all the joints just to hopefully mitigate some more of that lint deposit we were getting all over here. Now I get to shop vac all that. So, quick little video about dryer vent. Woo!